a man here, young man here, who wants to be, guess what? A YouTuber. YouTuber nowadays, a lot of people go to YouTube and they can make a lot of money from YouTube. Not only that, I think more importantly, Dengkil loves playing games and he loves to code, so YouTubing is one of his passions. You ready? Yes.
Hi, my name is Wong and I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsar South. This year I am 10 years old. My dream job is becoming a YouTuber. A YouTuber will post gaming and vlog videos to build followers and earn money from social media sites like YouTube. I want to be a YouTuber because I can be famous. I can earn money for charity and for my parents. And I can also train other kids to play video games. My parents will support me financially and spiritually. I'll work hard to get a scholarship to ease the burden in my family. I want to study in the UK because UK is filled with historical, cultural and culinary richness. UK has also many excellent video editing and content creating colleges. To be a successful YouTuber, I'll need to create a channel that will stand out visually. I'll need to have interesting content consistently, and I'll need to be focused and disciplined. The tools that I'll need are a camera, a microphone, a joystick, a green screen, and a good video editor. I know the journey will be tough and challenging. To be a successful YouTuber, I'll need to be persistent in creating content and consistent. I know the journey will be all worthwhile in the end. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dengkil. Now, I bet you it's not easy being a YouTuber, huh? You think it's easy, but it's not. It takes a lot of long hours and consistent creation of interesting things on content. Thank you very much, Dengkil. Let's give him a round of applause. Well done, Dengkil. Well done.